Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 4 steps. So now let's get started. Now let's see the materials. I have given the link in the description. In step 1 we are going to paint the sky. So first take the color light purple and apply the color only on the top of the canvas like this. Now we can take the color light pink and we are going to mix the color purple with the pink like this. In this painting we are going to use many pastel colors, so we have chosen the color light purple, light pink, and we are going to use the color yellow pink and Naples yellow. I really like the pastel colors, so if you like these colors please let me know in the comment section. Now you can see we are going to apply more pink, and let's take the color yellow pink and we are going to mix the yellow pink with the pink. As we are painting the sunset sky, we need to take the color yellow. So here we have the colors Naples yellow, and here we are applying the color Naples yellow and we are going to blend the colors together. So once we blend the colors, now we are going to take the color yellow and we are going to apply the color only on this area because we are going to paint our sun here. Now let's apply the color here, and now take your tape and stick it here. Now let's draw the mountains. So first we are going to paint the mountains in the distance. So here we need the color light purple. So let's mix the color purple with more white and we are going to paint the mountains. So here I am using my small flat brush. I really like to paint the mountains using the small flat brush because you can see the sharp edges always helps us to paint the sharp line like this. So whenever I paint mountains, I just use my flat brush. It gives a very nice and crisp edges like this. Now let's fill the color inside it. So here we are going to use the same flat brush and we are going to apply the colors here. Once the colors dry, now we are going to take the other color and we are going to apply them. Now take the color purple and we are going to apply the purple without adding any white. So this mountains will be the mountain that is too near to us. So I am painting this one with a very dark shade. So now let's apply the colors and paint the beautiful mountain. Now it's time to paint the sun. Now we are going to paint the water. So let's continue with the colors Naples yellow. So and then we are going to use the color yellow pink, and you can see we are just repeating the colors in the sky because the water is reflecting the colors from the sky. So we are going to just repeat the colors again. So now you can see I am taking the color light pink and I am going to blend the colors with this yellow pink, and it is a very easy painting. Now let's mix the color pink with this purple and we are going to apply the color only on the bottom of the canvas like this. And now the water is ready. And now it's time to paint the reflection of the mountain. So here we are using the same tape and we are going to take the color purple mixed with white and we are going to draw some lines here. So this will be the reflection of the mountains. I keep the painting very simple, so I used very simple techniques in this painting. If you find them very easy and helpful for you, then please let me know. Let's paint the reflection of the sun. So let's first apply the color yellow. So here we are applying the color yellow and using the same flat brush. Once the layer is completely dry, now let's take the round brush and we are mixing the color yellow with the white and we are going to apply the light yellow like here, and then we are going to apply the color only in the center of the yellow line. So this will be the reflection of the sun. Let's paint the tree. So here we have the color burnt sienna and I mix the color white, and now I'm going to take the color black and we are going to mix all the color and we get this beautiful and nice brown shade, and we are going to paint a tree here. And this tree is really easy and I really like the tree painting, and this time we paint the tree in a very different way. So now let's apply the color burnt sienna for the base. Later we can add more colors, and here I am using my round brush to paint the small and curved lines. Now take the color black and apply the color black for the shadow of the tree. So here we paint them for the shadow part. So once we blend the colors, now we can use that same black color for the other remaining small tiny branches. If you feel it is hard for you to paint the curved lines using your brush, then you can use your pencil. First draw the lines using your pencil, then you can continue with your brush. Now let's add the texture of the tree. So here I mix the color black with the burnt sienna, and we are going to paint some small stroke like this for the texture of the tree. And we are going to use a small round brush for this. You can use your detailing brush as well. And once we finish it, now take the color green and let's put the color green over this texture like this. Mixing the color green with black, we are going to use this for the leaf foliage. So this will be the dark layer. So once we finish the dark layer, we can continue with the light value and also highlight. Here I am using my hard bristle brush to paint the leaf foliage. You can use any old brush you have and it will definitely work like this. And now we are going to paint more leaf foliage, and we are going to cover the top of the tree with the leaf foliage. Now let's take the color green and we are going to use the color for the light value, and here I am using the same hard bristle brush and we are going to put the color here. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Roxana. I am an acrylic painting artist. I really love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. If you find my tutorials are really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms. To paint the highlight, we need the color yellow. So here I mix the yellow with the green and I am going to apply the color only for the highlight. Now let's paint the wooden bridge. So here we are going to mix the colors again, burnt sienna with the black and white to get this wooden color. And once the color is completely dry, we can add more details. And here I am using the color black, and here you can see I am adding small lines using my round brush. Once we finish adding them, let's draw some light colors here. Around the wooden bridge, we are going to add some water waves here. So first take the color purple and I am going to draw some lines. So here we are using some bold lines. When we are reaching the horizon of the sky, especially the near to the mountains, we should draw some small lines. So here I am using the color pink and I am drawing very small lines. If you are someone who really likes the color pink and purple, then you definitely like this playlist. In this playlist, you can see different types of purple landscape sceneries, and I'm sure you definitely enjoy this. And I have given a step-by-step explanation in this video. Now let's paint the girl and the dog. So here I am using a very simple shape to paint the girl. So I am using the color light blue, and once we finish painting the dress, now let's add small details here, and you can get the image of the girl in the description. For the hair, I have given the color burnt sienna. It is really easy to paint the cute dog. I have given the image so you can just use them. And here we are adding some small details. Now let's see the final look. I really like this painting, and please let me share your thoughts in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful video with a step-by-step explanation. Until then, have fun with colors.